and everything's going well. I understand the whole thing. I watched your video. I just have one simple question. The sticker that says that I'm supposed to attach it to the frame at 48 inches AFF next to the seal. Just a little clarification on that. So that sticker should go not, because the fire inspection tag is on the door edge. Is this supposed to go on the door or the jamb?
Where do the instructions tell you to install it?
It says attach it to the frame. Okay. So to me, that would be the steel frame. At 48 inches, the jamb, yeah. At 48 inches AFF, and I really haven't figured out what AFF means. 48 inches.
Above finished floor.
Oh, finished floor. Okay. So 48 inches off of the floor, basically, then, on the steel
above
frame.
Finished floor is what that means. AFF is above finished floor.
Good. I didn't know that. So attach it then 48 inches up on the frame, on the steel jamb. That's really what that means then, right? Not the door edge.
The jamb or the frame.
Yeah.
Right on the frame.
Okay. All right. I'll do that. I just wanted a little clarification. I didn't want to screw it up.
Which jamb are you going to put it on?
The inside, the hinge side.
Very good. Yeah, hinge jamb is normally where that would go.
Okay, because the metal sticker for the door is just another foot up from there on the door edge. It says apply it next to the seal for fire inspection. So I figured they were talking about the seal that's on the door, the metal seal. Agree?
Well, what's the metal seal? What's metal on the door that's sealing?
It's the fire rated sticker. It's put on with nails. It's on, for instance, listed 20-minute fire door minimum. You're supposed to, when we paint. Yeah, that's on all these.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Well, that's what your sticker says. Your sticker says apply next to the seal for fire inspection. That's the only seal that I can. The seal for the door is the only seal on, that's here. So.
Well, some people use the term seal to refer to gasketing.
Oh, apply next to the seal. Okay.
So if it was me, are the doors are clearly fire rated. Are the jambs wood?
Yes. No, they're steel.
Well, they're not held on with nails then.
No. No,
okay.
the metal, the fire-rated metal plaque is nailed onto the wood door. That's
got it. Right on. Okay, but we're not talking about the door. We don't care about that.
Okay, when it said next to the seal, I was saying, okay, you're talking about your seal, not the door, the fire seal. Okay. Yeah, that's my mistake. Okay.
Those are called, I would refer to those as labels. I wouldn't use the term seal because that has, yeah.
Okay,
now I would.
So I'll put it next to the seal, 48 inches up, and I'm good to go.
I would follow the instructions to the letter, and just so that no one can come back to you and say, "Oh, you put that, you didn't put it at 48 inch."
Yep,
now,
gotcha.
generally 48 inch, pardon me, 48 inch AFF, in my experience, means to the center line. So that's if I was going to do. Yeah, if I was going to do it, that's where I'd put it. Make sure the jambs are clean. Make sure that you've got, there's no oil, there's nothing underneath that label, because if the label goes, then it's by an all-new gasket. So make sure that label stays on there, and don't let anybody touch it.
Will do. Well, I wanted to do a good job. That's why I called you. So I appreciate that information. Thanks so much, Richard. All right. Bye-bye.